Good morning from Puerto Rico. And I need to unpack. I need to get ready right now. And then it's just beach. It's just beach. Here's the fit. It feels so nice to like wear a bathing suit because it was -2 in Vermont all week. So this is gonna be
I live, I die, or I die, I live.
Microphone, I guess. Ask kind of sit quiet, please, for 5 minutes. Thursday, should we have an interpreter?
Hi, I'm eating some burrata right now. I just took a shower. My grandma's in the shower. I thought I would just catch up like what's kind of happening. Although not too much is happening. But I'm in Puerto Rico. I got here yesterday at like 9, maybe earlier than that. No, I think it was 9. And I slept until 10 this morning, which was really good and really rare for me. Yeah, and we spent the whole day at the beach, which was so good. Although I got stung by a sea urchin, so that's fine. It's still in my foot. I'm just gonna wait for it to go out. It doesn't hurt anymore, but like it definitely was. And tomorrow I'm going with my grandma to her work, so that'll be good. But yeah, tonight I think I'm just gonna watch some YouTube, have a chill night. Yeah, but I thought I'd just say hi, and I hope you're enjoying the video so far. I hope you continue to enjoy. Do you still struggle with that at all, or? I'm not gonna be perfect. Right. I'm just trying to be.
And then I'm doing a workshop in Portland. Yeah, there you go.
Good morning. It's what day is it? I think it's Wednesday morning. Yeah, it's Wednesday morning. Goodness, there's a leaf blower. I'm in the Airbnb right now. I'm going to make some breakfast. I have the morning to myself because my grandma's at work, and then my cousin's going to some like museums and stuff, and I'm going to meet her to go to the beach later. So I'm going to make some breakfast. I'm waiting to see if I can get glue and scissors because I really want to set up my journal for March and make a separate video on that. But I don't know if I have glue and scissors, so that might not work. But yeah, I'm just gonna make some breakfast. Yeah.
Que mis ay, amor, me voy. Que estás con alguien más, ya los para escuchar. Ya me voy, quiero quedo en tus labios, mi corazón huyó. A un santo Cristo de fierro, harían mis penas llorona, harían mis penas ay de mí.
Hey, so I'm going to walk to my cousin's house, and after I think we're gonna go to the beach, but my grandma's performing tonight. She's a dancer and choreographer, and so I'm so excited to see her tonight. But yeah, I think it's going to be a pretty fun, chill day. I had like a nice, easy morning, just like getting ready and stuff. But yeah, it's about a 30-minute walk to my cousin, so I'm super excited to walk. Good morning. I'm eating some wheat yogurt. Today I'm going to work with my grandma. It's the last day of her dance workshop. And then the whole group is going to the beach and having like a picnic, dinner, beach situation. I'm so excited and also sad because it's the last day I'll probably see these people for a while. It'll be so good. I'm super duper excited. I hated that. I'm sorry. Anyways.
Is there a store next to our house here?
It's beautiful.
Oh, Kitty.
Oh, you.
Could I get a selfie?
Good morning. It's the last day of being in Puerto Rico. I slept for 12 hours. It was so good. It was so good. But I'm going to pack, and then we're gonna go to the beach for a little bit, and then fly out. Ooh, okay. So, packing time lapse incoming.